Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials: fresh batteries in the remote and power to the Trisonic receiver. Once done, keep the remote close, about 1 to 2 meters, to ensure a strong signal. Press the receiver's pairing button. You should see its LED change state. Make sure to hold the remote steady and avoid metal obstructions. This initial handshake prepares both devices for a clean sync and prevents dropped steps when you move to button programming next. You now perform the core pairing routine. Press and hold the remote's pair or code button for 3 to 5 seconds and watch the receiver LED. A slow blink means searching, and a solid light indicates success. Once the LED goes solid, release the button and test a single function to confirm. If your Trisonic system uses DIP switches, make sure their positions match exactly between remote and receiver. Mismatched switches prevent communication. You finish by verifying every button and testing range to the distance you need. Make sure each programmed function activates the target device consistently. If a button fails, reprogram that specific key. Once satisfied, mount the receiver in its final location and keep the remote away from heavy EMI sources like Wi-Fi routers. If things go wrong, perform a full reset on both units, replace batteries, and repeat the pairing sequence. This simple reset usually clears conflicts and restores proper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.